ba siya? Maganda yun
Hi, guys.
naman siya. Trust.
May try tayong coffee. Sobrang tagal ko na itong nakikita sa SM North. Pero hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko siya mabili-bili. It's a Hoshino coffee. So, let's try to buy it. Confirm it's a restaurant. Wala silang ice, hot lang.
Harap pa kayo ng video.
Bamboo. Coffee latte, 16
Or
ounce. Ice, please.
May sugar po?
Yes, meron. Pwedeng separate sugar, no?
Sige po. Pangalan po?
Faye po. Oh, waiting. So, dahil na-cancel yung ating Hoshino Coffee. Restaurant pala yun. Tapos wala pa silang iced coffee. Ito na lang si Bamboo. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronounce ko sa kanya. Try natin yung coffee latte nila. Ice. Let's try. Faye. It's Faye po.
Fe. Yes po.
Faye? Who is Faye? Thank you. Yeah. Tadan!
Kung mata.
They call me Faye. I don't know who is Faye. Ang hirap kasi meron pa bigkasin yung pangalan ko. Faye.
Smurf na lang.
Smurf na lang next time. Naka-separate yung Ang in-order ko is cafe latte, pero nangingi ako ng sugar. So, ito pala, syrup yung binigay nila sa akin. So, naka-separate to. Bamboo. Let's take it. Taste test. Pang siya for Harvey. So, lagyan natin siya ng syrup. Better na. Better na siya, Daddy. It's 8/10 for me. How about you?
7.
7/10? Oh, 7. Bye, guys.